It's the last day of spring today. Gotta do some updates. I think I'm really behind here. Now, my broccoli patch looked like this. Now, this is the last broccoli in the greenhouse. It's got to go, so I'm going to cut this little broccoli head off. That'll end up being part of dinner later on. It's not a true broccoli head, but really, I'm actually impressed I friggin' got some this year, because this is like, I think, what, second, third year I've tried to grow broccoli. Never had much luck. So, I did take out all the other broccoli, other two broccolis that were in here, and there were lettuces and there were onions in here also, green onions, which I harvested all the green onions. They're friggin' phenomenal, unbelievable tasting. But as you can see, these patches are now meant to be for watermelons because the greenhouse is really hot. We have fans to cool them off, but you know, you can't really grow much in here in the summertime except for something that really likes hot weather, which is watermelon. So I have these guys already growing. They've been here for a while now. And I have a watermelon on one already. There's a flower. Oh, and he's got a watermelon too. Wow, lucky us. I have left one lettuce here. This is what he used to look like. And now he's like this. I let him grow because I want to collect his seeds. So he's got a lot of seed heads here, waiting for most of them to flower off, and I'll collect them and whatnot. I do have watermelons already put in here, and I have another watermelon or two here actually. This one's been in the ground for, when did I put, oh, the end of May is when I put this one in here. No flowers yet, it's growing nicely. That's the sister of this watermelon. I'll show you the rest of the garden in a bit. I think I should put this in the fridge so it stays fresh. And then I'll give you an update on the rest of my lovely green space in my backyard.